This female bald eagle is having contractions. She has to lay now. Her eggs take 35 days to hatch. But at this time of year, the weather can quickly turn. Exposed, her eggs would freeze in minutes. But bald eagles are tough. She'll do whatever it takes to protect them. Her lifelong mate. A pair devoted to raising the next generation of aerial hunters. Even in the nest, competition is fierce. New bald eagle chicks can grow 20% bigger each day. Every feeding time, he's at the back of the line. But if there's not enough food, older eaglets will turn on their smaller siblings. The parents are working hard to keep all of their young alive.